Triumph Street Cup Best Motorcycle Review, Liquid-Cooled, 8V, Parallel Twin. The Triumph Street Cup isn't going to blow your socks off with raw speed and racing talent. The Street Cup is actually the Street Twin in disguise. Don't panic, it's not just an accessory job, but more on that in a bit. The Street Twin has been hugely popular since its launch a year ago. Triumph even say it's the best seller in the Bonnie range. And that's because it's incredibly easy to ride, unintimidating and minimalist with modcons, traits which appeal to both new riders and those taking a step back. So of course Triumph are going to take their winning formula and extend it into new models, which is what we have here, but that's fine with us because we'll get all the benefits of the new Street Twin, including new liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, frame, suspension and electronics package, ABS and traction control, and all wrapped up in cafe clothes. Brilliant! Ride quality and brakes. Triumph jacked up the rear suspension, increasing the seat height by 20 mm and pulling it slightly further back. The bars have been dropped, making them lower and further forwards. So it's bum up, head down, which makes for a sportier riding position and a more agile bike. The rear twin caliper shocks, preload adjustable, do a decent job of soaking up the bumps, but anything too gnarly and they'll throw a wobbly. The front brake is an evolution of the Street Twin's Nissin twin pot caliper, which coupled with the floating brake disc has plenty of bite and does a good job of stopping in a hurry. While it has a sportier riding position and feel, it is still essentially a Street Twin. And that means ultra-smooth, easy-going riding. There's no clunk from the 5-speed gearbox, the ride-by-wire throttle pickup is silky, and there's plenty of usable and friendly power from the 54 brake horsepower 900 cubic centimeters motor. Add its feather light slip assist clutch to the mix and you've got a sweet blend of slick and smooth riding. Engine. The Triumph Street Cup is the Street Twin in cafe racer disguise. So it uses the same high torque 900 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled parallel twin motor. The 900 cubic centimeters parallel twin pulls away smoothly. Triumph reckon the new motor produces 28% more power and torque between 2750-4750 rpm than the outgoing model, and it's certainly smoother and more refined with a broader spread of power. They also say it's more fuel efficient and service intervals have been bumped up from 6,000 to 10,000 miles. Reliability and build quality. The overall finish, quality of parts and attention to detail is sublime. Like the Street Twin, the Cup will appeal to a wide audience, which basically includes anyone who fancies a cafe racer that actually works. We've got a single Triumph Street Cup owner's review on the site, and it's a full 5 stars. The only negative comment was that the brakes could be better. Value versus rivals. At 8,800 pounds it is over 1,000 pounds more than the Street Twin, so it totally depends on how much you value the CAF racer style. Other rivals include the Kawasaki Z900 RS Cafe, BMW R9T Racer and Yamaha XSR 900. Equipment. Triumph has gone to town on the cafe components. Mimicking the delectable Thruxton range, the Cup gets twin clocks, drop bars, a posh bullet seat and removable seat cowl, fly screen and snazzy bar end mirrors. There's a bunch of other goodies too, such as new pegs, posh headlight mounts, fork protectors and bullet indicators. Exquisite finishing touches like posh decals, badges and 2 color options, yellow or black, complete the look and add a further touch of class. It also gets ABS, traction control and a slip assist clutch.